This is a replica of a harbor seal.
Feel this, Dad.
And this is the actual hip.
And
Feels like amber, doesn't it?
Yeah. And also at the bottom there's crabs.
Is that Mr. Krabs?
No.
And Patrick Star, look at.
No.
So believe it or not, the harbor seal actually comes to Rhode Island and then goes up the coast to Nova Scotia, which is in Canada, and
Come here, Dad.
Bar Harbor in Maine.
No.
So what are we gonna call this guy?
I want to call him a seal. That's his.
What's his name?
Oh. I would name him Lola.
Lola, all right, Lola, the harbor seal.
Come here.
Who currently is not in Rhode Island.
Nope.
Whale exhibit where pretty much asking us if certain whales have teeth or baleen. And baleen is just keratin makeup instead of teeth, which is similar to your fingernails. That is baleen already. So the gray whale, baleen, right there in the back, that's actually his teeth.
I can tell you, this is mouth is huge.
This is a right whale.
Like that.
Wow. Wow, we're in his mouth. Actually, we're not in his mouth, this is his body. Look at. You can see his vertebrae.
What's on this side?
It's his heart.
I see his bones.
Just to get a better look. And this is inside of a right whale. And as we can see from what we've learned, Aubrey, a right whale has baleen and not teeth.
Oh.
Like, Aubrey, this is a lot bigger than you.
Okay, let me try.
This
His mouth.
this is a lot bigger than you. This is like
Come here, it's on his
a
mouth.
bunch of Aubreys and Ambers.
Come here.
Aubrey, what are we gonna call the right whale? What's his name? So we got Lola, the harbor seal in the back, and then we got the Coraline. Okay, so we got Coraline, the right whale, and Lola, the harbor seal.
Guys, come in here. This is owl. I found an owl. Up here.
Kind of smells a little funky in here. Oh, that's not an owl. That's a red-tailed hawk.
Oh,
That's what we were talking about in the
It's a real
car.
one. It's a real one. It's a real one.
And a Christmas tree.
Hey, Dad.
Let's see. So red. These remind me. Now we have this park in Providence called Roger Williams Park Zoo, and there used to be a little not a muskrat, a meerkat exhibit where you pop your head through these bubbles, and this is what it exactly reminds me of. All right, I got the light on. You can see. So this is the nighttime creatures we have in Rhode Island, and two of them are very familiar because a raccoon almost attacked Amber once, and a couple of years ago we had a skunk problem at our house where I don't even know how we got rid of them, but thank God they're gone because they were just digging up the yard.
Oh,
Ooh, there he is.
that's the stunk.
And we did shine a light on him. Great horned owls, it's something I rarely ever see. I've seen
Ready
like maybe
for the last one?
half a dozen times.
That's-
Raccoon, they're everywhere.
That's what almost attacked it. This is the owl that.
That's an owl already.
This
See?
is the stump that we had problems. There was two of them, and so they make you think if you see its tail, but.
Okay. Aubrey, on the nature trail that's also at the Audobon.
So this is where the trail you can see a real animal, but over there some of the animals were fake. So we
Was the whale real or fake?
fake.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
He was looking at me weird.
it's fake. That's there. So, this is the first room we're going to.
Let's go this way, Aubrey.
There's a lot of stuff here. Let's go in. Go to the bay first.
All right.
Be super quiet.
Three turkeys over there.
What? Wait, what? Is this?
Let's see what we got over here. Looks like little bird houses.
Just like that. These things I learned about. Those are taller.
We are all alone out here. There's a field trip way up there. Down here, it's just me and you, Aubrey.
Yeah, just me and you today.
There are a lot of birds and surrounding trees. I see a couple nests up in these trees.
Let me see a bird now. That's far away.
Yeah, that.
Could be far down.
Oh yeah, we have some bird activity over there. I don't know what that was though.
But we go far down.
See some over here.
Not ready to go to that bridge.
Let's see what we can find on the bridge. Do you see anything?
I don't see anything, but
Oh, I just seen, I don't know if that was a chipmunk. Something just climbed this tree right here. Sounds like a couple babies in a nest maybe. Oh, that's black. Get some wetlands down here.
or like a red fox. Like a red fox. Or like a red panda. There's a red panda that lives in wet forests. This is the one. Sorry, no dogs allowed. Or
No
like
answers. It kind of looks like Scooby-Doo.
We're almost there, but I'm tired.
high grasses over here. A lot of different habitats, huh, Aubrey?
No.
Did you know there was this many habitats in Rhode? This is only
No.
Bristol.
I never noticed it.
Oh yeah, a bunch of them up there. Look at this. It's the Stanley Hotel, Aubrey. From The Shining. Red rum. Red rum. Looks like everybody's checked out, though.
Yep. We're almost at the end, right?
Yeah, we're almost at the end. Over here,
There's a lot of maps.
it's gonna be a.
There will be along the back way too.
Okay, Aubrey.
Do you know what this trail reminds me of? It reminds me of that one time there's like this video I watched before, and it was spelled the name of this trail, of a trail, and also I think that's what it is over here. It's the name for the trail.
We are pretty. This is the end up here, Aubrey. But you're gonna have a beautiful shot of the water.
This is the end?
This is the end. Which is supposed to be an osprey spot. Which I love ospreys. They're like the baddest bird ever. Wow. Look at this, Aubrey.
Yeah.
This. If you could see one of these, it'd be a remarkable. This is what it's on our license plate.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. I hear osprey.
No, it's not an osprey. That's that bird right there. But what is that?
Where?
Look at that huge nest.
What is that?
And now the walk back to
The beginning.
the beginning. There you go. We made it to the end. Now we go to the beginning.
And the beginning to end. That was a fun end. I didn't notice that Audobon's my favorite thing now.
The Audobon? You like the Audobon? A lot different than the zoo, isn't it?
It's a lot same as the zoo, but different.
It's cool though, right?
I can tell you the same. There's animals here, but different is there's a trail, but a zoo doesn't have a trail.
Well, the zoo has a trail, but this is all natural. Everything you see here, it's,
All natural.
yeah, it's all the birds and everything. They're flying here. Like
Yeah.
this big tree, you probably see a couple birds on it. Not right now, but
when we got back to the beginning. We saw the turkey.
The turkeys, yes, they were at the beginning. Whoa, what was that? Oh. Okay. Don't think you'd be able to see it on camera, though. It's kind of hard to spot. So, I mean, this trail is pretty cool.
A little bit cool, but not that much cool, I can say.
Like, I remember going to the Audobon when I was younger,
When you were a kid, Dad.
but I don't really remember it to this extent. I don't think we did the trail,
We didn't
but the
do-
trail's very cool. It's included with the admission. The admission's $6 for adults, $4 for children. So,
I'm
I mean,
a
it's very,
children.
yeah,
Oh, there's a bees.
it's very affordable. I mean, it definitely gives you a greater appreciation for the environment, especially in Rhode Island.
Hey, I want to see myself.
Did you learn a lot today?
Yes.